Look, I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't do anything. My life is a mess without you. Please, try to give me another chance. Look, I'm sure you're coming to the party. Let's talk once we meet, please. She hang up on me, man.
No, you're gonna keep on trying, bro. You can always put another SIM card, a new SIM card, and you call her again.
Bro, you have a point, man. You always my G, man.
You know what? I'm not feeling okay.
What?
I'm feeling okay. I don't think I can do it.
How?
I'm feeling dizzy.
Why? All of a sudden, just like this, just changed just like this.
I'm not feeling well. What should I do? Fake it? I'm just not feeling okay. Like I'm feeling dizzy now. I'm not okay. I don't want to faint in front of people.
No,
I just want to be indoors.
No, man.
Please understand. I'm not feeling well. Come on, I'm telling you that I'm not feeling well.
Baby, yesterday I went to Chris's house. They were watching this movie. Yo, it was a very nice movie. Do you want to watch it?
What is the movie about?
It's a horror movie.
Okay, as long as it doesn't have anything to do with romance.
I think it's a nice movie, but don't be scared. Look at that.
I wonder what's gonna happen to that girl.
Baby, it's me. I miss.
Why you dropped the call?
I am sure the person dialed the wrong number.
Okay. This is a nice movie.
It is. You know what? I think I need to go and wash the dishes.
Are you sure? Are you okay?
I'm okay. Don't I look okay? I'm okay.
Okay, babe.
I'm okay. Don't
It's
worry.
alright.
Don't worry. I'm okay.
Babe, your phone is ringing.
Pick it up!
What if it's your client?
Pick it up! Jesus!
Bro,
Yo, bro.
why you look so stressed, man?
Yo, my guy. You know what? You know my ex. I want that chick back, man.
You want her back?
By fire, by force. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Then do what your heart wants, man.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Follow her heart. Follow your heart.
You have a point, man. Let me just call her now.
Hello?
Look, babe. Try to understand me, please.
How can I help you?
You are the best. No one can replace you. That's why I want you back.
Who's this?
It's Jason, your boyfriend.
You again? With a new number? Don't you have anything else to do? I mean, if you're normal, can you not understand that I am married? I'm a married woman. Go out there. There's many fish in the sea.
But I fished you before anyone else.
Go get yourself one. Please leave me alone. I'm begging you, leave me alone. And you were not able to keep me. I mean, you were beating me. You never appreciated me. You made me feel worthless. You made me feel like nothing. Why now? Come on. Please. My life is at peace. I've got someone who cares about me, someone who loves me, who appreciates me, who knows how to treat a woman. I'm begging you, your time is over. Please don't waste my time. And please, I just don't want trouble. Stay away. Stop calling me. I'm begging you. Give me peace. Come on, please. You know I don't have to beg you. I give you your time. Your time is over. Okay? Please understand that.
I will change another SIM card. I will put a new one. Can I please at least see you for the last time? One more time, please.
What's going on?
It's my ex.
How long have you gone through this?
For a long time. He's been calling me. He's been harassing me. I told him to leave me alone, but I was just scared to tell you. I don't know what to do.
What does he want?
Well, he says he needs to see me.
Let him come, please. I want to see him now. Let him come.
He says he wants to see
Let
me.
him come. I need to fix this.
Should I call him back?
Please let him come. Call him.
Hello? Jason. Okay. Listen. Meet me outside my compound in 30 minutes. Where are you? Is it going to take you an hour? Okay, that's fine. I'll wait. Please make quick. Let's just talk and get this done with, okay?
Yes, babe. Yeah, I think I'm outside. Okay, cool. Hey, come out.